Cracking knuckles, arthritis, fact or fiction? Ever cracked your knuckles and been warned about arthritis? It's a common belief, but is there any truth to it? Let's dive into the science behind that satisfying pop and separate fact from fiction. That cracking sound isn't your bones grinding together. It's actually gas bubbles in your synovial fluid popping. This fluid lubricates your joints, and the pressure change creates those harmless bubbles. Numerous studies have investigated the link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. The overwhelming consensus: there's no proven connection. So crack away if you want, guilt-free. Want to learn more about common health myths and facts? Follow us for bite-sized science and evidence-based information to help you make informed decisions about your well-being. Like and share this video to bust this myth.